Okay, welcome to the Guilford floor plan built by MI Homes at Apex Friendship Retreat. We're gonna head on inside. Each of these have had this cute covered front porch. Loving the little bench outside, little seating area. Greet your neighbors in the evenings as everybody's walking by. All right, another great foyer when you walk inside. And let's head on this way. Check out the guest suite first. Great little guest bedroom tucked in here. And then this here is your full bath for your guests. And this will serve your guests that are just visiting as well. So it's good for that bedroom as well as the guests in general. Wow, look at this open space. Look at all the cabinets. Wow, wow, wow. All right, so entertainers, cook's delight here. Another beautiful screened porch area. But just look at this. You definitely have enough space to host that Thanksgiving buffet right in here. So as we head on up the stairs to the second floor, as with all of the amazing MI Home floor plans, you are going to be greeted by another large family room loft area. They have Scrabble set up. Gotta love that. All right, so here is the upstairs bathroom. Sinks are separate from the toilet shower area. And then we are gonna head down the hall this way. And this bedroom is way big enough for a king size bed. So it has an adjoining bathroom to the other bedroom, as you can see here. And let's walk on through to this bedroom. All right, back out into the hallway, into the upstairs family room loft area. So there are 2 full baths up here for the additional bedrooms. Laundry. Another bedroom up here. So you have 3 additional bedrooms plus the owner's suite, which we are entering now. Love this ceiling in here. What do y'all think? Isn't that amazing? The colors are so pretty, very peaceful and serene. Very, very, very big room, as with all the bedrooms that I have seen. Again, I would love to see a bench in the shower. I'm sure I can have that added. Your water closet. Nice. Not the biggest of their closets, but it is a spacious closet. I wouldn't turn it away. So here we are. And this is the Guilford model over at MI Homes Apex Friendship Retreat.